Hello class. So we couldn't really review dilations as much as I wanted to in class, so I prepared a problem that you'll be tested on tomorrow. So let's read this and see what they're trying for us to do. So it says Wilson wants to draw a pre-image of a room with dimensions 12 by 18 feet. So he wants to use a scale factor of 6, and so your goal is to find the area and the perimeter of the pre-image, all right? So the actual image of the room is this here. It's 18 by 12, all right? So that's like a real room, but he wants to draw a pre-image on a paper. So because he's trying to draw a pre-image on paper, everything is going to get significantly smaller. And how much smaller does it need to get? That's where the scale factor comes in. All right, so it has a scale factor of 6. So that means you take each dimension, and what do you think you'll do with it? I'll pause for a second. Yep, you will divide. So you have 18 feet. We'll call that our length, 18 feet. And you would, because the scale factor is 6, when you divide it by 6, of course, you get 3 feet. Now let's do the same thing with our width. They will get 12 feet. 12 feet divided by 6, that will give you 2 feet, all right? So now we have a pre-image that is significantly smaller than the image. So I'm going to draw it out real quick here. It's going to be 6 times smaller. It's not, of course, not drawn to scale, but you get the idea. 6 times smaller. So this dimension here, that 18 now turns into a 3, and that 12 on our paper, it's a 2, and they're both feet. So now if you want to find out the area of this pre-image, you would simply do area equals what? Try to remember the formula. It's a rectangular room, so area equals, yep, L times W, base times height, whatever you want to call it. So this is going to be 3 feet times 2 feet, which gives you what? 3 times 2 is, of course, 6, but don't forget about the units. Your units have to be square feet, all right? So now that gives us the area of the room. Now, let's try to figure out the perimeter of the pre-image that Wilson drew on paper. So the perimeter is simply going to be all four sides added together. That will give you the perimeter. So you have, this side is 3, then the side opposite to that will be 3. This side here is 2. Side opposite to that will be 2. So add all 4 of these sides and you'll get 10 feet. All right, perimeter is a distance, so therefore the units have to be feet. Area is a 2-dimensional quantity, therefore has to be square feet. And that's it, we're done.